We're talking about the similarity between the shell and the...
But that's my theory. My theory is, first it was the symbol.
Mm-hmm.
It was the symbol. And later, they transformed in letter. So, through the symbol came the letter.
Mm-hmm.
Which in Maya, all the words you can see there, there's in Maya. He, Heu, Jehová, Helmen, Helman, Henne, Gente, Hel, Helna, Selena, Helectia. All that is in Maya. Important is this. Look this. Jehovah.
Meaning?
The Jewish, Jehovah.
Ah,
Jehovah.
that's Jehovah.
Yeah. So, and then you can see where the Mayas took this. Here's the indication.
And each symbol has a different meaning about what?
It's the same symbol. This graph is only for speaking about one symbol.
This is all about one symbol?
Yeah.
Explaining one symbol.
He, he,
Yeah.
he, that's the name. Who discovered, who was the first people they worked with zero in mathematics? Maybe the Mayas, because this is zero in mathematics. The name is He.
He.
He. He in Maya is the name of the Milky Way at the same time. The name of the Milky Way, the name of the zero. And the name of the X. The X is He. And when we speak about sexual education, He is the two heads of the woman. The ovaries is the head in Maya. And for a man, is the same name, He. The head for the man is the same name, He. For a woman, ovaries is the same name. So when we teach about sexual education, you have here the meaning. Okay? So, they had the Mayas in Palenque, the duality. Many places. In Yucatan, in these arcs, they have here. They have here in Mexico, close to Mexico City, in Tula, you have here. You see?
All based on the originating symbol,
Yeah.
which is exemplified by the coral shell.
Yeah. Okay. So you ask me, what's the name of this Maya? I say, He.
Yeah. Okay. I've given that to many elders already. And as soon as they see it, they recognize what you're saying.
This is the common the memory.
Yes, it's in the common memory. No question about it.
Yeah. Let me you bring a book.
What,
In all the places.
and this is the symbol of Ol.
Symbol all.
And Ol is
The consciousness.
Ol is cosmic consciousness,
Yes.
not just consciousness. Ol is the gateway.
Maya we say all.
Ol.
All. When it's a mantra, at the same time mantra. You know,
So this is the beginning part. The other, then you bring your breath to it, and you focus your tongue. How do you hold your tongue? Is your tongue curled? Is your tongue?
Yeah,
Or is it on the top of your...
yeah. But it's more the vibration inside because all that begins to move everything inside.
I need you to explain that because there are different breathing techniques that use vibration in the head to achieve either enlightenment or I'm seeing all as being the tool to move from the enlightened state to the cosmic aware state. Is that how you see it?
Yes, but
or am I just making...
We include the energy of the sun is that all. The energy of the Milky Way is all. The energy of the trees is all. The energy of the flowers is all. One of the first way is reading reverse or understanding reverse.
Okay.
Look, this Maya is he. This he. Reading reverse.
Okay.
X. Now it's English.
But you're saying that you understand that 7 ways.
7.
What does that mean? Explain. I hear the
7
idea.
ways how you pronounce.
So every letter can be pronounced 7 ways.
Combination words.
Every letter can be made 7 sounds.
Like this. He. In reverse is egg. And egg, it means is the eggs of the English. And then we have here the tree way. You have the Mayas here, place. Okay.